You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev. It is week 5 in the mini twist challenge, and in today's video I'll be doing a wash day on my mini twist, also giving you lots of hair growth tips. Let's get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. It really means a lot to me. Do hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed, and also give this video a like if it's helped you in any way. Also, do let me know how you're getting on if you're in the challenge, and also leave me any comments, any questions that you may have. I'll be happy to answer them. So this is week 5 in the challenge. How I'm feeling? I'm feeling great. My hair is getting on well. As I've said before, frizz is a very big issue for me in this challenge as opposed to mini braids. Do check out the cons of wearing mini twists in my previous video, because there are a few, and the reason why I prefer mini braids over mini twists. Here is just a close-up of what my hair is looking like. As you know, I braided the front of my hair really to give me a more fresh look from this, but because I washed my hair about 3 times by this stage, it was again looking quite frizzy. So frizz is the main issue that I'm having. The second issue I'm having is with my ends, where I'm getting some single strand knots. And so, as I said, I think this will probably be my only mini twist installation. I know there's lots of ladies that successfully use mini twist to grow their natural hair, but for me, I prefer mini braids. So I'm going to be doing a wash day in today's video. So when you're washing your mini twist, you want to take extra care to avoid any frizzing, any tangling, and any unraveling of the twist. And so here is really a little step-by-step guide of washing your hair in mini twist. So for me, it's a shampoo diluted for my scalp. I always just shampoo my scalp as opposed to the full length of my hair. Now, as you know, I'm using Pure Lean products. I got these from Jamaica, and I really like these products. But you can use any cheap supermarket own brand shampoo for your wash day. You can of course do a pre-poo for your wash day while you're in mini twist. That's perfectly fine. You just heat the olive oil or whatever pre-poo oil you have of choice and put it on your hair prior to the shampoo. I didn't feel like my hair needed a pre-poo, and so I went straight ahead with my nozzle bottle, and I applied the shampoo, diluted shampoo, to my scalp, working my way around all of my scalp, getting rid of all dirt and debris and dandruff. Of course, you could also use a sulfate-free shampoo, any shampoo of your choice. The main thing is to avoid rubbing your twist too much. I know this is quite difficult if you're actually trying to scrub off all the dirt of your scalp, but if you rub your twist quite a lot, you'll also experience more tangling, more of your mini twists actually fusing to themselves. So as much as possible, try to reduce the amount of rubbing of the twists together. Just also a point to note, my shampoo is diluted using warm water, and as I'm rubbing my scalp, giving it good scalp, I'm using just the balls of my finger. I'm not using my nails at all, being very careful. My scalp is really quite sensitive, and so using the ball, I give that a very good scrub. Thing to note is that wash day in mini twist is very quick, and you'll have a style at the end of the end, so there'll be no styling. The next one I wanted to use was this Eco Styler cocktail. I can't remember if I've used it on this channel, but I wanted to give it a quick review here. It's a really beautifully smelled conditioner. That's all I can say. I love the smell. Actually, it smells like sweet when I'm finished using it, and so it's just a really moisturizing shampoo. And so I just follow that. My scalp has already got the shampoo on, and I follow on with this conditioner. This Eco Styler conditioner was gifted to me, so I'm not quite sure what the price is. However, I will try to look for it and put it in my Amazon store. So I use conditioner for the length of my hair, and I use shampoo for the scalp of my hair. So while I'm doing this, I'm able to apply both products to my hair at the same time, therefore reducing my wash time, my wash day, my wash hour by a significant amount. And so I gently apply that conditioner along the length of my hair, focusing on the ends and using my fingers to gently work the product into my hair and to distribute the conditioner evenly on my hair. You could read the back of your product to make sure that you are using this for the right amount of time. You don't want to be putting this conditioner in your hair for longer than needed, and I found it to be very moisturizing, so there was no need to leave this on your hair for any extended period of time, because you would also get a lot of moisturizers for using it for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, I enjoyed today's video so far. It would really mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a like, and once again leave me any comments down below. The comments really help this channel to grow, so I'm really looking for some comments from you guys. Thank you so much. So once I'm happy with the amount of conditioner on my hair, I make sure I give it a good look, and then I try to go and rinse that out. Of course, I'm not going to be doing that on camera. I don't really wash my hair in the shower. I don't like the product going on my skin too much, and so I'm not going to be rinsing it out. But before I do that, I put my hair away, get on with some chores for about 10-15 minutes before I rinse that out. Once again, read the instructions on the back of your conditioner and try to stick to that amount of time. There's no need to leave this conditioner on your hair for too long. You will get a good conditioning treatment within 10 to 15 minutes, and so I leave that for that amount of time. So once my wash day is over, the main thing I'm checking is my scalp is clean. Remember, this is the reason why I wash my hair, to make sure that there's no dandruff, no dirt, no debris on my scalp. And so my scalp was looking very well. My hair length was feeling moisturized, and so I was happy with that quick, very quick wash. I love washing my hair in protective style because of all of that benefits that it gives me. Comes to rinsing your hair, I rinse my hair with warm water. Once again, you want to squeeze out all of the water after you finish washing this out, and I recommend a very good wash, very good wash, rinsing time. Rinse it out for about 5 minutes to make sure all the product is out of your hair, and then use a towel, a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. T-shirt is my preference to dry your hair, making sure that you squeeze out all the water out of your hair. I have got a towel here, it hasn't got very much fiber there, and so it's not really damaging my hair. You want to not be rubbing any material on your hair that's going to damage. Do go ahead and check out the playlist section of my channel. I do have a wash day playlist for washing your hair loose. Also check out my mini braids challenge. There's plenty of challenges over there in the playlist section, and lots of information, lots of videos on this channel helping you to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong, and showing you my natural hair journey of someone who's never had long hair before, growing their natural hair to great lengths. I mean, another tip here is if you're using conditioners that's really moisturizing, you can leave a little bit of that product in your hair. Because I also had the shampoo on my scalp, I rinsed everything out, but you're also welcome to introduce just a little bit of that product in your hair as a leave-in and seal that. But I went ahead and did my full sulfurate on my scalp, because remember, we're using sulfurate for this challenge to measure the growth that we get in the 6 weeks on this channel. So it's sulfurate. I'm going to put it on my scalp, and then I follow on with my moisturizing routine. I do have a separate video showing you how I moisturize my hair, so you want to also check out that, and also check out all the previous weeks. If this is your first video you're seeing in the challenge, check out the previous weeks, and so that you have a full playlist of week by week. Anytime this video finds you, you can put your own dates and start this challenge all over. Once I'm happy with the amount of sulfurate that I've put on my scalp, I'm going to go ahead and follow that with my moisturizing routine. Once I've put enough moisture in my hair, then it's time to seal it. And as you know, I'm using my favorite Pure Lean grease. I've talked about it much on this channel, so you could also use any grease of your choice. Seal your hair in also with castor oil or shea butter. I've also put in the community section some suggested routine and regimen for wearing your mini twist. So prior to my moisturizing routine, I do go ahead and make sure that I give my head a very good scalp massage. I am washing my hair weekly in these challenges, and so my hair is at least getting a scalp massage once every week on wash day. You can do scalp massages much more regular because that encourages the blood flow to your scalp. So I encourage you to do scalp massages on your scalp, and I'm showing you there just a preview of the amount of growth that I've received so far on this channel. Remember, protective style is a great way of growing your natural hair. Your hands is out of your hair, and you're able to leave your hair to grow. And then for the length of my hair, apply my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is Esco, along the length of my hair. We are almost there with this challenge. I'm so excited. It's flown by. The time has really flown by, and I hope you've had some amazing growth. Following this challenge, we will be having a brand new mini braids challenge. I'm so excited for that. I know you love that, and so that will be coming up. Just remember to handle your twists with care. You don't want to do too much rubbing on them while you're doing a wash day. And as I've demonstrated in today's video, a wash day on mini twist is really quick. It's really no fuss, and it can take only half an hour. Also, just take care when you're looking after your mini twist. 5 weeks in, they are going to be looking a bit frizzy, but you can find ways of wearing them. And so after my wash day, I put that in a bun, and it was good to go for another week. I style it mainly using a headband or head. head wraps, and I also wear hats. It's still winter, and so my head is mainly covered. If my hair looks really rough, I will put a wig on, and so I'm rocking it. It's underneath, it's taken care of, it's well moisturized, and it's clean. So I want to say thank you so much for watching.